Welcome. My name is Max Hackman, and today we are going to browse the Biography and Context database. The first thing we want to do after we get to the library's homepage is scroll down and select the database link on the right-hand side of the page. This will take us to an alphabetical listing of all the databases. We'll select B, and Biography and Context will be the first one. I've already logged in. If you have any problems logging in, please contact us through chat or email, and we can definitely help you with that. First thing we're going to notice here is there's a search box here at the top. If you don't know who you want to look for, you can scroll down and they'll give you three individuals right off the bat that you can browse. Those will be changing, just like these different people on the front page will also change as time goes on, and also the subjects here will change. So keep that in mind. They're always giving you a new variety, and then you can browse everybody alphabetically at the bottom as well. Let's just jump in with Cornell West. Once you get in here, Cornell will have a background right here. You can select to read more, and then I'll actually go to an article. Some quick facts are available as well. If you scroll down, you can see what else is available on this page and kind of how it's broken down into the individual resources. If you keep scrolling here, the certain ones will pop up. Let's just jump on this one here. This article about advocating for the exam and life on campus. You can see when it was published, who it was published by, how long it is, by words. Above it here next to the search bar, you can see the citation is available to you, MLA, APA, or Chicago style. And then also the permalink is up here. As you can tell, this is a Gale database, and so all these Gale databases are going to kind of be designed the same here. And again, you can download it here. You can save it to your Google Drive account or your Microsoft OneDrive. You can also listen to it or even download it as an MP3 format as well. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us through chat or email.